initiative being written. We want ours to take a different approach. There's a medical marijuana initiative being written, and Emmons is concerned if it succeeds, it'll come into their profits, so they want to draft a competing initiative to confuse the voters.
Is your mouth dry? You fell asleep with your mouth open. You fell asleep with your mouth open. You feel stupid? What an idiot. Yeah, what a real idiot. No. Are you embarrassed? Yeah. Yeah. Good idea. Don't let me see your face.